In this video, I'll show you how to convert an MKV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player. Let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Next, click on the Media menu at the top and select Convert/Save. In the File tab, click on the Add button and choose the MKV file you want to convert. After selecting your file, click on the Convert/Save button at the bottom. Now, under the Profile section, choose Video H.264 plus MP3, MP4 as the output format. Then, click on the Browse button and select the destination where you want to save your converted MP4 file. You can also rename the file here. Finally, click on the Start button to begin the conversion process. You'll be able to see the progress in the playback bar at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert an MKV file to MP4 using VLC Media Player. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.